This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart photo kiosk. First, find a photo center kiosk inside your local Walmart store. Once there, you will see a touchscreen interface. Begin by selecting the type of photo product you wish to create, such as prints, enlargements, or personalized gifts. Then, choose your photo source, which could be your smartphone, a USB drive, or even a memory card. This initial step is quick and easy. After selecting your source, connect your device to the kiosk using the appropriate cable or slot. You can then browse and select the specific photos you want to use for your order. The kiosk offers basic editing tools, allowing you to crop, rotate, or even apply simple filters to your images. Take a moment to ensure your photos look exactly how you envision them before moving forward with your selections. Now it is time to choose your desired products and quantities. You can select various print sizes, ranging from standard 4x6 inches to larger 8x10 inches or even bigger poster prints. For each photo, specify how many copies you would like to print. You can also explore other options, such as creating custom photo books, calendars, or unique personalized gifts, all directly from the kiosk. Finally, carefully review your entire order on the summary screen. Double-check all your selected photos, print sizes, and quantities to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, proceed to the payment section. You can typically pay using a credit or debit card, or sometimes even with cash at the customer service desk. Your prints are often ready for pickup in as little as 1 hour, making it super convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.